Good morning, Hobbs Schools. Welcome to day 2 of Staff Institute 22-23. Hope you had a really good day yesterday. Appreciate everyone's engagement. Looking forward to some big rocks today in terms of multi-layer system of support, positive behavior intervention support, interim assessments, supporting ELs, Google Classroom, and Land School. Should be a full morning for those sessions as you rotate through. Again, resist the urge to be a cave dweller and embrace what is to be. And remember, eagles only take flight through resistance. So appreciate your day. We do ask that you take the opportunity and provide us some feedback at the link so that we as an organization can continue to get better. We will do this through each session. Each session will be provided as a feedback opportunity. Thank you and have a great day, and go Eagles!